continue. In our previous video, we were able to create our table, so we are going to now create our form. So with this form, it will help us to get information from our clients or our customers or our students, so that it can use to populate or fill the database. So this is what we're going to do. We go to create. So let's close this. Let's close this now for now. Then go to create. Then you go to form design. So the form design will come here. So we have the form design here. So we are going to design the form. Now this where after you have able to open the form design, you go to add existing field. We're going to use the existing field, the field that we used in our table. So add existing field, then click on show all tables. So this is the table that we're going to use. So students, so you click on the plus sign here to reveal all the fields that we have in our database. So just double click on it, then it will automatically fill your form for you. So this, I'm double clicking each of the field. So the moment you double click on it, it will add it to it for you. Now we have our data, our fields on our sheet. So these are the names here at the left side. We call them labels. And these are the input field. And this is where we enter our details, then we enter our data for. So we are going to arrange it. So let me select everything here and push it down here so that we can arrange it well. Now let's arrange it. So this is what there's a trick here. You see, the moment you click on any of the fields or the input field, it will, and you try to move it, you click on any other area and try to move it, you see that you move with the label. But if you want to move only the label or only the input field, you see there's a square, black square at the tip of the icons. So you just click on it, then you move it. You see that only the image tables move. So let's try to adjust it so that we can. Okay, so we are now doing the editing here. So sorry. Okay, so let's try to move this one up a bit. Okay, then let's enlarge it small. Good. So we have this here. Okay, let me move this one here. Okay, so we have this. We can give it a background. So let's try to give it a background. But before that, okay, let's continue. Let's give it a background. So if you want to give it a background, you go to where is it? The property sheet. You go to this side and activate it. So you come and click on this side. Then you go to format. Sorry. Let's select all. So you want to give it a background color to the form. So you go to back color, then you select it, you click on it. So which color do you want? So let's say we want this color, then you give it. Okay, let me change the color. Let me use a light color here. Okay, this color is okay. Then let's try to give our labels also some kind of design there. So 4 color, you search for 4 color. Where is 4 color here? Okay, so the 4 color is the color you give it to the text that appears on the screen, and the background color is the background color as the name implies. So let's select black, and the font weight to, let's select heavy. Let me use heavy. Okay, that will be okay. Then the border style, The border style is transparent. Okay, it's good. So we have this. Okay, let me use this one. Let me also give it a border. Where is it? Where is the border style to let me use normal for the image, and this one to let me use the font weight to be, let me change it to heavy. Then the font, the font color to black. Good. So we have this. So let's try to view our form and see. You go to view, then you go to form view. Then this is how our system or our form should look like. So you can give it a heading. So let's go back to the view and design view. Let's give it a heading. So you use label. So this is a label. You click on it, then you come and drag here, then you type in the label. So we want to say student admission form. Good. Then we are going to adjust it. So let's increase the font size to let's say 15. Okay, let's increase it a little again to 22. Then the font weight to, let's change it to extra heavy. Then the color, the font color, I think let's use, okay, blue. No, let me use a different color. Okay, let me see, red. Okay, so you can still adjust it to this side here. Okay, so we have it. So let's view and see our work. Good. So we have our form designed already. So we end here and continue another time. God bless you all.